Welcome to BestGear, your ultimate destination for the tech and tools that power your creativity. Today we are breaking down the top 5 best embroidery machines on the market. We've ranked them based on performance, ease of use, versatility, and overall value to help you find the absolute perfect fit for your workspace. Whether you're upgrading to a commercial production warehouse or setting up a boutique in your spare bedroom, we've got you covered. Let's dive right into the countdown. And hey, make sure you stick around for our number 1 pick. It might completely change how you think about single needle machines. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Smartstitch S1501. If you are looking for serious, high-volume production, this commercial-grade powerhouse is built to handle it. The standout feature here is its massive 15-needle setup. For business owners, this means you can preload up to 15 different thread colors at once, drastically reducing your downtime during complex, multicolor embroidery jobs. But it's not just about color, it's about scale. The S1501 boasts a huge embroidery area of nearly 14 by 20 inches, making it the perfect candidate for large-scale designs like jacket backs, heavy banners, and oversized hoodies. Speed is also a huge factor here, with the machine churning out up to 1,200 stitches per minute. It brings modern tech to your workshop with a crisp 12-inch touchscreen and a built-in Wi-Fi for seamless wireless design transfers. Whether you're doing flat embroidery, caps, or tubular garments, its heavy-duty construction makes it a rock-solid choice for serious production environments. Coming in at number 4 is BAI The Mirror. This machine hits that absolute sweet spot of being a commercial-grade machine that remains surprisingly beginner-friendly. It's designed specifically for growing businesses that want professional-level features without a massive, frustrating learning curve. Like our number 5 pick, the Mirror is equipped with a 15-needle configuration and a generously large embroidery field, meaning you can easily tackle everything from small logo patches to massive apparel designs. It sews at a very respectable speed of up to 1,000 stitches per minute. One of the things we love most about this machine is how accessible it makes your daily workflow. It features a bright 10-inch LCD touchscreen with multi-language support, Wi-Fi, and USB connectivity. Plus, it has automatic thread trimming to save you even more time. Out of the box, you get accessories for hats, flats, socks, and finished garments. If you are a growing business transitioning into commercial embroidery, BAI The Mirror is designed with your simplicity in mind. Taking the number 3 spot is the Smartstitch S1001. Not everyone has the space for a massive piece of commercial floor equipment, and that's where this compact 10-needle machine truly shines. It delivers real commercial-style performance, but in a much smaller footprint. This makes it the ideal choice for home studios and boutique businesses. You get a highly versatile 9.5 by 14.2-inch embroidery area, which is plenty of room for your standard apparel runs. Despite its smaller size, it still rips through designs at up to 1,200 stitches per minute. The integrated 7-inch touchscreen and Wi-Fi connectivity make project management and design transfers an absolute breeze. With its 10-needle system, you can still automate those multicolor projects without constantly stopping to rethread. It's incredibly capable when working on caps, t-shirts, and hoodies, while maintaining a design that won't completely take over your room. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the FUJA 3. This entry-level commercial embroidery machine is practically tailor-made for small businesses, Etsy sellers, and ambitious creators who want industrial-style performance at a much more accessible price point. The 10-needle configuration minimizes manual thread changes, letting you set up your project and walk away while it does the heavy lifting. You'll be working with a 9.5 by 14.2-inch embroidery field controlled through a highly intuitive computerized touchscreen system. With full Wi-Fi support and a stable, industrial-style structural build, the FUJA 3 feels incredibly premium. It's capable of reaching speeds up to 1,200 stitches per minute, keeping your production line moving fast. Built to handle a massive range of custom projects thanks to its flexible frame attachments, it's a true workhorse that provides insane value. And finally, coming in at number 1 on BestGear is the Brother Persona PRS100. Now, you might be wondering, why did a single needle machine take the crown over 10 and 15 needle commercial giants? The answer is unparalleled versatility and space-saving brilliance. This compact, free-arm machine delivers absolute professional-level results in a footprint that fits comfortably on a standard desk. Unlike traditional flatbed machines, the Persona's tubular free-arm structure allows you to embroider items that are traditionally a total nightmare. Think sleeves, small bags, caps, and tight pockets without having to take the garment apart. It offers an 8 by 8 inch embroidery field and operates smoothly at up to 1,000 stitches per minute. Brother packed this machine with over 400 built-in designs, multiple fonts, and mini hoops for ultra-detailed projects. But the real game changer is Brother's Drop-Light LED positioning system, which shows you exactly where the needle will drop for flawless accuracy every single time. Its smart workflow features streamline your production so well that you won't even mind that it's a single needle. For the vast majority of creators, this is the ultimate tool. That wraps up our top 5 embroidery machines for turning your creative ideas into a profitable business. Which of these machines caught your eye the most? Let us know down in the comments section below. We've also dropped links to all the machines in the description so you can check out the latest prices and grab one for your studio. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to BestGear, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech and gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.